marinated salmon on the grill. Oh, that salmon is looking really, really good. Grilled zucchini and yellow squash. The finished salmon, grilled vegetables, small salad with calamatas. I wanted to mention this is edge grain maple. The strips of wood run left to right. It's very functional, very nice. This is end grain maple. The pieces of wood are turned in little squares. We also call this checkerboard look. And it maintains it, repels moisture and water. So that's it. These products are in stock at your sponsor, chefdepot.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.